radio station ya Santamanante atumini ya konkro farmer so ya di update no deba enti wodi ano so be dwane o YouTube handle uko YouTube ana fe wodo comment na dia bana yakinka dia man beta tem ya meka to say ya subscribe wo subscribe anytime ya video bi abaye ready no wonsa akana atumi abana ja ya papi e dia bom sa na matters e ho attes ya ketre e di ama manfo be kofikasi mti no ya na test wonso wa maniama abembe na ja ya no apapi e dia awura musa me sasa from terrace ria no matters ni bi etumi to dwa na adamatis akanyina e to so no atori no boboko no abrante ni dia Kasadai ono ananya the only goal edema muabra SS Napoli etoma bom ntram na Brantary din Edi Santos na fe ema sobo ananya sa 2 goals na edema SS Napoli eno da eno ye game eto dan na Matisaka etwane Kayari Bobo kono wo mo etne from ni komo na ebo Atlanta eni Udinisi Catro ebo Bato yebenya juve ewo towin omo eni pizza na edisi ene no 745 eni kema etotwa ewo terence rea etrada Matisaka nyina etwane yebenya leche womo eni cremonese ana ebo Bologna eni Harazoronya yebenya Fiorentina bobo ko ne Parma Calcio na yenya Genoa omo ni AS Roma na fe Milan derby enso etimi atotwa enom AC Milan bobo ko omo ni Inter ana edisi ene sa game na no 745 etra anya samketokra afe Monday night football yebenya game and team and dinner di Lazio omo and Sassuolo na ebo anu so 745 and you made us game na atota na ukom league log no so Inter bobo kono after Monday 27 we were 67 points omo na LED AC Milan tosumi no mo 57 points 10 point difference and Dortmund na Napoli we tosumi no mo 56 points and AS Roma toso 9 we were 51 points of a Como atosum enumo ho we 48 ana yawa team and team edi Juve womo enso 47 pointer eno ya dia etota ewo Terence Ampato entratolo Talo Martinez 14 goals no eno de kwa Nico pass enso ekwa 9 goals Abrantani Daddy Duvikas wono ekwa 9 goals yawo Rasmus Holland wono 9 goals af Rafael Leao 9 goals Christian Pulisic wono 8 goals af Kenan Yildiz 8 goals yo Moiskin wono 8 goals na fe Hakan Hatahanoglu waronsum our 8 goals anu ya reporter etotwa our Syria yako Spain na yedi nkoma kakra eno ata all entwamane under the 11 minute anonya go erema Madrid bobo ko Freddy Valverde 90 aya +4 anoma tan ekasa eno ata Madrid ebontrem you know wo ko ti Chata Vigo amataza Chata etuno ba ko Brantary din Adi Glaciers ono ana odum atika no edemama eno aya dia Madrid game no eno nso ekowe sa game nsempi na ese adope yebedi unkoma kakra ene Osasuna wo mo bo Mallorca afi Levante betena fi wo mo ni Girona na Ebona fi enya Atletico Madrid the Wanda Metropolitano wo mo ene Real Sociedad na Ebo afi yebenya Athletic Club Bilbao wo mo tena Bilbao krodio mo ho wo mo ni Barca na Ebo sakem no edum 8 PM na etota etena Matisaka betwene auche wo mbekwa awetu Villarreal sakem no early kick off 1 PM ana Ebo Sofi yebenya Hetafe wo mo ni Real Betis na Ebo na yenya Sevilla womo ene Rayo Vallecano de besiane afe Valencia betena fie womo ni Deportivo Alaves na edisiane Monday football enum aya ni nwe no twe yebenya Rio Oviedo bobo kono womo kwakoto Espanyol Barcelona no mo game na tomato ne Barca ana LED La Liga table no Barca was 64 points Madrid tosumi no 63 Atletico atosumi 51 ana yenya Villarreal womo 51 ana fe enum aya team and the Real Betis bobo kono 43 points and the club international there killing Mbappe Lotin one ekwa 23 goals on the LED Vitat Muruki ekwa 16 goals yenya Lamin Yama ekwa 13 goals Ferran Torres ekwa 12 Anti Budme ekwa 12 Robert Lewandowski ekwa 11 Pablo Boda Aye Glaciers one ekwa 11 and yawo Aye Jogi di Aye Frontos one our 10 goals Mikael Yazabel and so ekwa 10 inti sana nkomana etia our La Liga womonsom aya fixtures no so na no pe no ye ketre kakra de mabeta mamin conference na mini koba kakra na Fan League an no AS Monaco bobo kono back to back ana omo adi ama PSG in a month of November last year wom ati PSG bo matra bako ana fe wensurom womo asa aboma ntram yense nyame anim nie sabako na ya bako na mom sa go na womo se na last year no mo de ma PSG no mo cho mo se womo de kantra mi miensa and your higher than a higher mare and a brancher the other coach and your goal Golofan go after Balangu go hey Adian Moyade on the 71st minute and a Brady Bacola and so at Kanabako and then a PS Bobo Koreana Tessa Penny and now some Kotokra na sa Yasi Kata investment for Ebafa PS Bobo Kono Yasi Teams 9 pet and Etime Sadi and the PS Bobo Kono and your Omuba Pomeni so a Cheni and Mecheni and no Teams 9 pet team and the Daddy Nancy Bobo Kono and the 2011 2012 for the Sadiano a PSG and AS Monaco so Adesa 2021 we with the same thing and I started Rene Ebecho 2022-2023 and Omujo Masa the moment son AS Monaco as I come Mubium this season so Wama Sadia last year and this year so to Omid here the Ama PSG Papa match and maybe as almost 20 no a total our Jumadi Swana and a Pemi catch Adama Lewis Erike and head coach at the moment Pato Papa Yebisa said na dia Yebisa and your Champions League Ebekoya na when it's also na El Kokobo said ya the NSBO said Monaco class ma PSG na mubetime gyina Chelsea ni na no say Yankamo Bianta say we need doubt to cross 1 minute and when the team say omuntime and say team bia UEFA Champions League and I say team anya dia was it a part of football no that dia to no in fact who be crowd say PSG bo game no more confidence nyina ila was it a crest tata say a team ni part so waka amobiata say in the UEFA Champions League there a different approach and I tell so much to me Eddie Romanom I am Kobaka Kwano Eddie Twitter I would do media so now no pay me catcher Eddie Ama Chana Matisaka no to join us so bet me at no crying Matisa Etoja Yebenya non to Bobo Kono woman engaged na elbow Ejo was young woman is trouble Eddie Serena Yenya to lose Bobo Kono elbow Olympic to Marseille Etina Matisa Ebasono Yebenya LCD long so what fear woman myth and elbow start the Brassois and they have Bebo na Yanali Metopo money low went na elbow or just in tina fear woman start the Rene elbow na Yanya Leon woman power subse and DSN in league log say and the city PSG woman our 57 points woman and the early after say not Omulusu Nano woman about 25 matches come here say other matches can transfer neighborhood they were and then SC Costa de Rene woman and so announcer okay I see the loss woman corner woman Tosumi no woman 53 points now Jawal Leon Tosumi 45 Olympic to myself 43 points woman Tosuna enum AS Monaco Bobo corner 40 points and a Cromo Okos Troboka Oma Branta Dean Adi Joaquim Pinachelli wono Ekra 14 goals on na LED in fact only messing Greenwood Nano woman say 14 goals now I want to say woman yesa will be a 14 goals awasero emu 5 goals penalties and to Pinachelli 5 goals penalties messing Greenwood 5 goals penalties and send open play goals no and so about Bekaho Bato Esteban Lepo Akudano 12 goals or Brady Bacola our 10 goals Pavon switch wadum our 10 goals or after Wesley Said our 10 goals or Sony Edward wadum so our 9 goals and we dia total our Italian Serie A Spain and AFL League and pay the home command ebi ade down. Okay, quickly young twaso and free Amaya from Germany. Now the 10 say March 25 matches a weekend way. Eba so our German Bundesliga no. E shall see Eddie free Andra Friday Emma Tima. Je from Bayern Munich Andra. Woman tell our Alliance Arena. Now the 10 say Bayern team Asher 4. Emma Borussia Mönchengladbach at Kanabako. Now a Colombia on my brand Tenefane Luis Diaz and the Cassia first goal Emma Bayern and what you call Lima at the second goal. Eba so Emma Jamal Musiala at the penalty about third goal and San Nicolas Jackson every bench at the fourth goal Eba so at the team from Bayern Munich. Yebe game and a brand fans Wayal Moya Ebenya consolation goal at the team from Borussia Mönchengladbach and the Andra Bayern Elfie woman share 4 Emma Mönchengladbach team no woman take a Kanubako na Mami Colombia woman brand Tenefane Luis Diaz this season war form na yakase team be auto player na player omanya na sonfa so a Bayern Munich omani Luis Diaz na Luis Diaz only this season
35 matches and my Bayern Munchen was 20 goals. I had 12 assists. Now just a 32 goal contribution in 35 matches. And my Bayern, I brought Luis Diaz no. What from Bruta? I'm saying what crack and I'm say Liverpool more the bon answer and Kwakama. It's as a sun numbers radio. I'm saying this season Liverpool for Enyaya. A Kabibia Kama Adema Tima. Je from say Liverpool. Now and next Saturday your match is Libya Ebaso. Our German Bundesliga now about 2:30 p.m. Freiburg our Europa Park Stadion. Woman and buy all for Leverkusen and Ebo and when FC headed him about 10 our Void Arena. Woman about TSG Hoffenheim Mainz 05 our Miwa Arena. Woman and Stuttgart and Ebo and when she Oko Red Bull Arena RB Leipzig about 10 woman and team from the Augsburg Ebo now for Wolfsburg at 10 our Volkswagen Arena now many Hamburger as the game Abaso and when she did and about 5:30 p.m. our Ren Energy Stadion FC Cologne Elfie woman and Borussia Dortmund and Ebo Yankupon Adma Ochina Sunday the 2:30 p.m. St. Pauli Elfie woman and Frankfurt Ebo now for Union Berlin at Tenefi watching 4:30 p.m. woman and Werder Bremen and Ebo now the Bayern team no woman and the our German Bundesliga table so now Bayern 66 points and watch Dortmund at Tosumienu woman 52 points Hoffenheim Tosumienu Amo 46 and watch Stuttgart Tosunai woman so 46 points and after RB Leipzig Tosu Emuma woman so 44 points now the top scoring chart our German Bundesliga no Bayern Munich striker France Hurricane and the can watch 30 goals and watch Dennis Undav about Adama team from Stuttgart who 14 goals after Luis Diaz 14 Haris Tabakovic when Seru Gurasi woman swinging at 11 goals apiece after Christopher Bungatna Michael Olise Andre Kramaric and Nadim Amiri woman swinging at 10 goals apiece and on a payade Sempina Emma Tifoina El Shono so after Free Germany na Yanko England na Oko England this weekend Mame Phantoms Premier League matches anywhere Nemo FA Cup 5th round and Eba Suna the 10th under Friday Yenya over 200 team na Amutina Fie El Molyneux woman so 3-1 Edema away side je from Liverpool na the 10th Abrati France Andy Robertson and a first goal Edema Liverpool Mohamed Salah at the second goal ever so Emma Abrati France Curtis Jones about third goal Ansana Juan Hichan ever take Kanabako and Emma over 200 until Liverpool and your revenge and say work Liverpool on last game on boy before say woman boy at the tail of 200 no woman kwawe El Molyneux Ekolusuye and my team from the Wolves into Liverpool team no woman your more revenge na Andra Mohamed Salah eshe go and my team from the Liverpool Jeremy second say Andra Gua Mohamed Salah eshe no and 254 goal and my Liverpool na cheze Mohamed Salah if you Roma buy no why Juma pa and my Liverpool Jeremy second say was so pass when Rooney all-time top scorer at Manchester United. When Rooney was 253 goals at Manchester United. Now, just Aguero, go over Senaya Sankito, Mohamed Salah, what they are then a Coenche so Mohamed Salah a team it was best 2 seasons, and covers 3 seasons. And you want to say, my all-time top scorer at my Liverpool team and Nanopano. Jerome Sam Emma Telephone El Shono so now and the matches ever so England, your Mansfield, and when Arsenal and and watch Razam Everton woman about Chelsea now for Newcastle United was St James Park woman any Man City game abaso na mami Arsenal manager je friend say Mikel Arteta say when we be an fan to the team City me from say Mansfield Elfo na do betima ka and say game be say no eya na ed pass the Ghana say no eya na taka say MTN FA Cup we be anyo bia no ko England asanete was game be say Mansfield players no go me gidi e pass we eno betimi e dey ready me om image enti ade bi on person me say me betima say Arsenal bia no go me e be Arsenal team no go me so offer game serious we the Ghana's Arsenal one manager Francis Mikel Arteta.
I've been long enough in this country to understand that being favorite doesn't mean anything when it comes to that competition. At that time of the day, in that ground, I know that they're going to have the belief, the hope, the conviction that they can beat us, and we need to be very well prepared. Well, today, at least now for a moment, to enjoy the victory, because we knew it was going to be a really tough one and a really important moment for us with what is remaining in the Premier League. And tomorrow we can switch. We have played very similar games now in other competitions or in the FA Cup as well, so we are very well aware of what the game is going to demand. So from tomorrow we'll prepare that. You can, but hopefully we're going to do what
Okay, where the Gunners answer na amo manager fan say Mikel Arteta and I wote nkano na eno achim de tese enawia Chelsea team and I say na numere 5:45 p.m. enumere Chelsea ekwa way wom ene Rezam enebo na de tese Liam Rosinia won ene head coach Edma Chelsea was say yamfantu obi anim say uyo obi a was study team from say Rezam pa wom rise na born omuni bopa na this season so Chelsea FSA wom je trophy ba kwa Chelsea ebetimaje FA and I say FA Cup enti ade bia wo Chelsea team no enanum omo ye sere bia ombe se Rezam no e wo Chelsea we Liam Rosinia.
Yeah, I've seen a few. No, it's a when you see a club grow, develop, improve, and come up through the leagues, it's a great story. They've done a great job. I think Phil's done an incredible job to the way he's managed the team, the position they're in the league as well now. We know it's going to be a really, really difficult game. We know it's a club that's on the rise and there's a good energy and a good vibe around, and it's hard to play against that. We take the game really seriously. For us, it's an opportunity to win a trophy.
Okay, Liam Rosinia and our tenant case game no Yami Adma and then Chelsea team fan serious. Gomo for Enconco Diagro and which he did big game 8:00 p.m. and then was St. James Park, Newcastle United. Gomo at Treffi only the Sky Blues of Man City enable Pep Guardiola a manager Edma City. I'm on a premier press conference manager and what can say me with the NT City. Gomo boss Pep Guardiola.
Recovery is massively important. The rest, the sleep, the food, the training, we know how we can handle it. And of course, when we arrive early at home, so it's better than late for the recovery, but it's what it is. So we never have some detail about we can do better thinking in the other one. So here in England, it's more important what happened in the Carabao Cup than the Champions League games for the English teams. Happened for the day one. So it's not surprise and not ask for anything. It's we play at 8, we're going to play at 8. So what I said, we have to travel to, we can.
Okay, Pep Guardiola manager Edma the Sky Blues of Manchester City and our tenant Kano. Now, my man Fantuan saying, Yami Adma Ochina, your matches in Libya Ebaso FA Cup, 5th round, Dumna, the Tense Fulham Timno, Wamba Trefi, our Craven Cottage, Wamba and Salamtin, Anabo, and watch Port Vale, Elfie, Wamba Sunderland, Leeds United, our Elland Road, Woman in Norwich City, Anabo, now Fenya Coupon Adma Monday, about 7:30 p.m. Team from West Ham United, Woman so at Trefi, Woman Brentford and Ebo Nano Pano. Yada won some MT for you know shoulder so.
Well, okay, so now you're training off a Yadim Clofama so seminal at Yadaya Katos, so near live on YouTube in Shra. Your number one account radio stations so YouTube and Shra TV. And to no one subscribing off it yet to me. A papi at Yaramna, a boy Panama, Yan Tony Kakana, Yenin Comeno so Eto Dana, Messasia at your feet, Pep Gotola Katina, Oko Peppa Katia, and some Pina Aba Udimsa, Yakakwatisa, Abasa, the end of the season. Dumana Abaneria Pep Gotola Elsoka home ama yabediti edimbi na mpato anope reporter eba eni nkoma yesi Pep Gotola akwakodino etese wa hwe season ni bana wi ya obesan ye 1 year extension di ama team and team at Manchester City because ano okodi nkoma se ni team no enyanya complete afi anope so complete the team se na be ya we betimi complete wa na team na so solid we no tese ya okam obi atese na season the team be better than their omuhu this season no enti ano chase or person chase next season no ono na chase obe ho na fe wetimi abo ma Manchester City boboko no ene man so wetimi akoye dia mo no your reporter elpa ewo dwumadie so na mobake a last week me ba be ka tell mo say time ye pra Cristiano Ronaldo akwa ama chase ehonsam na ye data ama ye keka say wan we a World Cup no kra na akoda no ebia wontimi enko bi afa na update na ba you see ni pra no sisia no mobeka na no da me babeka tell me say enam ntokwa ne anim sasa ntokwa na ebia ekoso Israel ene Iran ntokwa ya ema ayi Saudi wo mu league enwo kan ne ade no yenim say nti na sa ne private jet ne fly ekọ Madrid mpato nya sa na tie de nti Ronaldo ne private jet ne fly ekọ Spain say yesi Ronaldo few say ne nine no one fan ko special doctor wa na hwe amfa ma na ebe ha dwene ye pa enti Ronaldo fly atasa make say o Spain atasa o hesa ne wo betimi atodom esanse prane de wa ne yenim na nkedim se se de sitie no mo se wo ma we Ronaldo nya de so betimi abo World Cup ni bi enti kwanklo bia so ese ne hutimi to no enti special treatment ana okwakoye e wo Madrid ko de bo ho ene ye de fi Ronaldo akatem adi eba reporter men se ka ese ayesa no ona sa wo matisa edo meni nya de sa brant ne betimi abo bi against New York wantimi amobi aye Khaled enya de so betimi abo sa game ni bi eno at international break na Portugal awo friendly matches bo wo mini Mexico eno aye match 29th ana yeso mbo sa game no wo mini USA ana ye 1st of April ana yeso sa game na ba so reporter mensaka say likely say Ronaldo ntimi mo sa matches ni bi ebia obe return ya game wo mo ene Najma anso ebe bono na ebia ye possible say Ronaldo ebetimi return any after the international break and tani and Kobaka Kwanso Amete from Cristiano Ronaldo Akatia adopa mi katre ediama na kwe wataso ya Ghana nipa ana wasan eye Africa nipa mapa enu eye Jeremy Doku kwabra enu Jeremy Doku ne ekobi sansa wo wasi awuti ene ayi yanumi ayatui masi amiti adum kwabra waso no ase oti de aduma nyankopon tip anoti as nti so no oti ho kwabra se oye obisa no se na se yesi Yesu ba ono beko bia na ayase tete Pentecost ayi akola no ene ansa na beko Sunday school no ni akato so Yesu ba na se wa anya papa nko bi kwabna Jeremy Doku se na eda ni trim ento no osode na aya no abisa no se nyankopon ba na se Yesu ba no wanko bia eno no pa ni wia so ba ye den ezanse eno obeduru ho no obebisa asa akwapa no kwafo mo wadi kakra no kwa hunti ba bese ko medan kwam akwaso no na otwen ento no wase ni trim nya den kete sa surface kwabna nya de so no ye bi oso de obenya so ne amanfo che ezanse se ekodu na papa no obebisa se wo ma usika wo ma onamfofo afenso wo ma yire wo ma ofem wo ma resources kwabna no de ye den ana wo de mfumpa na adibu ye ane de basa na tese wo bra nyame ento on de wo se sisi ade ade wo ye nyina ye dankwa ana oprembato eno ye Jeremy Doku se we de Sunday sermon na ko de amahi enti no so akomo kakra de na me yanto so na yakọ enim kakra Declan Rice akasa Declan Rice se anya ne wanwa sa amanfo tan Arsenal wo so no wo dani Arsenal bobo kwa chese Arsenal bibia nya obi afe na Arsenal mobo ye Arsenal ni Chelsea go bo we o mo se o mo ye team o mo chichiri players chese enya ofa ha no mayro se wo no dani Arsenal nsem se ya amanfo eye dede wo Arsenal ho sa ba ndo chese Arsenal we ne entanya de so be obi ade eni ntina sansem ne ekoso di tia Arsenal bobo ko no eno ye Declan Rice nkoma kakra wadi tutwa ewo dwumadie so na ukọ Brazilian league na sisi ano wo league no former players na stars ne nkwa na akogum ataso mo bama Brazilian league no asan ya kono bem esanse Alexandro Elho Oscar Mwamba Jr. Elho Victor Ruke Elho Lucas Paqueta Eko Jaginho Elho Neymar Elho Memphis Depay Elho Lucas Moura Elho Jesselyn Garden so akodu ye hoko krade okoye ache ana afe Saúl gas so ho William Bordeaux da Silva wo munyina ho nti wo na eboa ama Brazilian league na ya kono ye pa ane yankoba kakọ so na no pay me ketre edi ama na mad the force yankam obi ante say wo mu any flight Emirates wo mu atato machemo sisi ya 5 years sponsorship deal ano manya dia ba be ka hom na obunu contract na be end 2031 na first na annual sika omoje eno aye 70 million euros eno sika omoje isi ade omo so omo de 4 million aka ho per year bia na no 74 million euros eno sika mandate sponsorship na no so edi amom Manchester United that as a Manchester City, the way we team City, as a Manchester team, the same thing. Last year, me baba katam say Manchester say the face of football for Manchester United non person Moses Sanam and to omuko all youth system to Sasania will be a binom and to Manchester Airborne man yes wom academy no mo di new faces abam na omo ado payin ba ko aba na sa payin no mo di na ba no ono oye adwuma ye pa na sa story na nkasa na mekoso ma menye we fa ma wansa jetenie Manchester Airpe coaches na coaches ani eto omudim no ado Tomatucha ana afe Penyani Del Carlo Ancelotti but reporter say Manchester ni omu mienu bia ni nkoma kwabra ya say enkomodie bia mae Manchester ni san komono na once Tomatucha kwade why content the sense that for the Three Lions of England ana afe Carlo Ancelotti so na no do no abeka say 4 years no ye dia ma Brazil man no enti anu so ho enti Manchester bato enya dia say isi no mu ni obia edi nkoma tezempe for we eba be for coaching job no edi ya say enkwafo ne say woman na say to mu coach no woman ni jiwu ye pa anu nkoma kakra ne afe mamenko an academy aye director no omede na aba no ne dine de Darwin Hughes na kwabra Darwin Hughes ya say oko Manchester City woman academy ho ehwo na chese openi ho aye 12 years anu tre Manchester City academy by then no aye aduma 7 years our Liverpool academy ho enti aba ne nkoda coaching pa de openi we ni ye pa Manchester United say woman kwa fans omra me academy football development and methodology awo Manchester United and he say Manchester say kwa mbefa so mbebo ball kwa papa we na betre say Manchester for ball no mbebo ne 10 wa ansa no makati dia ban fifia empato sa methodology ne papa yi ana eba be heso academy players no mo na beti chomo na fe so ma ba be aduma no beto already Manchester our academy director and tin Eddie Stephen Tope and empato Stephen Tope na chese we pay we ba be se na se and say hierarchy no edo be Stephen Tope and sana Darren Hughes and so abana teso ma ya adwuma kama ade Manchester United pato one reporter so akodi Kofi Konso Odran Kwantia president adwuma de ato ho ewo Barcelona bobo ko nemum wasese niam agu akwamo kwabna wase wato nkra akọ Vatican atese nkoma wadi nyina yese opese pope ba na oba be grace o case no ewo the new Spotify Cameroon and one reporter say and she say why nyina yese wakọ Vatican akodi nkomo ene authorities ene empefo adidi nkomo atese o so obenya pope ama na ba be visit the new Spotify Cameroon aja wo be hwempa ye de agu ho ene abansa de ene tibnom emu aye dede ne yankobe kakra so etotwa ewo dwuma de se no ada ya se avala abalua wotenyi adagule small boy danger ni buafu amataza o tutu ne nsakwa eninya nanim na eno na no ada ye go bi sa avala abalua sa na unim dia adagule ya na so sa adagule de mimi ni problem na ampo wo pe mad the coach so mapa adagule bre so ma yusu akoda ne ye pa me na me ye number 1 ba yusu ne ye pa mama akoda ne sia kantinom ebia sa ne amusi hu na ye sa na mi hu no wo so no otwase adagule ye pa our important at the man in the coaching job where you ever Madrid Academy ye nkomo kakwan so avalo abalua adi tutwa wo ye and ye business against Manchester City mabua mo there na next Wednesday game never so and say ade be here supporting the base Madrid distance no we be here obia because some Madrid supporters never no mu gina chese no mu ye de say na chese team no so ebo mo Madrid say na ebo mo win matches intino one day o come obia tell say when some Manchester City ebe omo ba be prove stubborn better wa prepare when the boys no wo mo so any team no e de besie ni ye pe no reporter Avelo Abelua and so e de to now killing Mbappe
okay young to so Real Madrid why na mama Kylian Mbappe esan say okọ Cameroon ya say Mbappe asa say di sika boa Cameroon aban amasuku na e wono wo mo renovation na bako e wo kura ye fence Bonandal e ho na Kylian Mbappe le papa efri na ya so kwa renovation na ekoso no se Mbappe eden sika ebwanti Guma Nhyira TV YouTube de wuche no school ba kwa Bonandal ho na Kylian Mbappe eden sika ebwa ama school akonkan na no pay no yere won sam emetifo nyina show no so na me na so Mbappe no se Mbappe ebu dofoforo na Mbappe edeti new girlfriend na the me say can say we actress your fan Esther Esposito na relationship na si best several weeks in here and I am say ashasia enoma eko kama na andro ye chi abratia your fan say Kylian Mbappe say one ababa wano wo mo ye no ma na the me say can say andro Poman Bar ewo omanya ye from say France eho ena Kylian Mbappe woni Esther Esposito na ododie no ekos bibia kamanti Mbappe si opranimum wuko France odido mandefo na dwabruta nemum bone de enche kura ne recovery ebeko kama na wa return enema team je from say Real Madrid no pay no jere wonsam emetefo nyina e show no so Andy Robertson left back edema Liverpool andra we shall go editia Liverpool and as we shall go editia team from say Wolverhampton Wanderers na jame me say kan say Andy Robertson you see Liverpool for ni gidie pass boy ni wanyini etinyame adom na ye what season we and you may consider say ombeton Andy Robertson na omuwie game no post match interview and Andy Robertson say no reality action na emre bi atwam under Georgian club na o can the best left back o we here na wuntimi kana wunyi wono abrante fan say Andy Robertson enfrim nemu say Liverpool team no wo mo ambition wo makofa Milos Kekic edenaba na Milos Kekic ebaye no na adaptation enyanye kama afei ena boy ehu so eti uba Liverpool already ehano kura wogidi pass football sanete wunyina ede ya ebe wafro na ye the player for ede aba eti wakana kuma anya to ne yam eno ay Andy Robertson ena de sansem atudwa na said Gabi Turam edi kankan no nyakopon yadma Wednesday big game eba so e was Santiago Bernabeu where a UEFA Champions League round of 16 first leg the tense Real Madrid ofie wom any Man City enable na Vinicius Junior teamer je from say Real Madrid player na Vinicius Junior esi nyame yadma Wednesday game eba so no wono de obetimaka ene say Real Madrid ebetima renia ene Santiago Bernabeu wum supporters ne pa esan say emre bi a Madrid ebo big game el Bernabeu no say supporters no ekom ho a eya na Madrid dominate eno achimu attack kama wum fight for every ball eti ogidie say nyame yadoma say Wednesday supporters eye sadia ene Madrid players ebe yom say bia o ma win game edema team je from say Real Madrid nano pay no jere won sam emetefo nyina o show no so away from Real Madrid Janko FC Barcelona na me kai pa me na be story edman se Barca for ne say wo mu pe left footed center back e man be catch say Borussia Dortmund wo mu play na fa ne say Nico Schlotterbeck yes Barca for ne say wo mu pe e man Barca for ne say be kan say wo mu kan say wo mu pe Nico Schlotterbeck na Schlotterbeck ne bon onimbo ne wo on fete Hans Flick ni system of play e Barca eti Barca e pe another option na enano pe dia me say kan and say Alessandro Bastoni wasina kan edma team from say Inter Milan one and a Barca for gidie pass say omo pe left footed center back there and Italy o ma blank team friend Alessandro Bastoni wasina kan edma Inter Milan na yesi early January enkomodie eba so na enkomodie eba so between Barca almost sporting director your fan said Deco one Alessandro Bastoni ni agency and edin komo na omo busa boy ni say anyabia no we ni yam say obefi Inter Milan na obabo edema Barca ama boy na age opinion say omotimi reach agreement with team je from say Inter Milan dia one Alessandro Bastoni why bo edema team from say Inter Milan and as why bo edema Barca rather na de me say can say problem no I say e was say Barca any Inter reach agreement na e pa say the oko Inter Milan omo so gidie pass boy no we integral member e team from say Inter Milan enti omuja no amana kono edin nemo omo valuation 80 million pounds say anase 80 million euros say team from say Barca ekuta sasi kandia eni Inter Milan for gidie pass also mu consider say ombeton abrante fan say Alessandro Bastoni anase omonton na eno e report free obe na no pay no jere won sam emete fo nyina e show no so na medaso e Inter Milan no say Inter Milan for gidie pass I was a woman revolution. Na revolution also mo yen team essence omo players ni bi omo nyini pa na de me second say Francesco Acerbi was center back for 38 years and which Matthew Damien one also a right wing back for 36 years after Stefan De Vrij as center back for 34 years sa players me sawe jabo season ni bi Inter Milan wo see omo jamo kwan and which you two players back a young Soma were goalkeeper or 37 years one of the because of any money more according to Inter Milan for almost say statistically and of consistency juma edma blood say young Soma and any me aman offer na a short-term contract and Omnibema Jan Soma, a chess a 37-year-old goalkeeper, Edma Inter Milan Jan Soma, one of the Ebia Obeste, and which Henry Mkhitaryan, one of a central midfielder, was 37 years, one of Inter for GD Paza, system Christian Kivu, Ebono, Buen Fete, na Emrebia, Henry Mkhitaryan, Ejina Inter Milan Bombiano, Bueno, because of tactical intelligence and watching experience, and I say, was I Emma me for the air balance, and also Ebia, we met me a short-term contract, and another where a contract won't send some, and what team from say Inter Milan Pano, Yaron some Emma Tilfonia El Shon, so not young Soma dear, dear say, woman short-term contract, Corona, Wumbe Jano Amanako, and the Inter Milan epic goalkeeper. Now, the Member say Guillermo Vicario, where goalkeeper Edma Tottenham Hotspur, one and Interphone GD passer that Sadachibiano, Gumuja Emma Young Soma Aqua, and was any replacement. Now, Guillermo Vicario Bueno, woman and Edin last month, now in Comodia a Cosono, woman say one GD passer one of Italy. It is about Italy no the Sinakai, Edema Inter Milan only problem. It is a Inter Ebetimi, Aton Edia Free Tottenham Hotspur, one no goalkeeper fan said Guillermo Vicario. I already saw about Edema Inter Milan, and what Mame Abrantia fan said Juan Bisek, one Abrantia fan said Carlos Augusto, one also Inter Milan for and I said 2 players no Inter Milan epese woman stand on contract at the moment. Na Jan Bisek, they say Afibiano, what you 2.5 million euros. Our team, Jeffron said Inter Milan, woman is can be account, and what she Abrantia fan said Carlos Augusto, one of Sikan Omu Crisino, and they are 3.2 million euros. At the Inter Milan, woman GD pass the season MNA, name contract once and say Omasas ye, Ayan Kama, na Massimo Tarantino, one and a head of youth sector, Edma Inter Milan, you say, Yamia Dumnia, a what season we are, Woko Juventus, now Oko Juventus, they are Juve, I say Omope, and I say Oko, team from say Roma Rada, you say Juve for say Omopen replacement, na Michel Bravetti, one and a Juventus head of youth academy, one and a head, one and a Mokofana and new replacement, and I don't pay anyone some, Emma Tilfonia El Shono, so not Phil Foden, Man City, a person who is standing the contract, any man, not Phil Foden contract, no, just say City for the GD pass, adding. Now, the head say, woman say, one Ebenya form, bears a last, bears a 2 months in me. Name boy the form article, and a man of contract, and I be on name, say, oh, to me, Pagani Monibum Cacrebia, and your Man City, a bear standing a contract at the man, and watch Andre Onana, where Manchester United, woman goalkeeper, I'm in the Cologne, our transport. Now, my United valuation, 40 million pounds. Yes, a transfer for 4 GD pounds. There be under an evaluation 8 million 40 million pounds a day. Now, some United for about Tesoka Cradian or metal. Name was a 40 million pounds and so they are on transport. Omoto under Unana and Ye into your chadu. Quasam say a bomb so. A bomb so.
But it makes sense. No, say goalkeeper, no Manchester. No. What you say, Brandon on Yadi? You don't need him. What you say? This is a Unyana. Team beat is a transport. No, no, 40.
40 more say more.
I don't make sense minimum. But maybe person just say teams say what tech is our teams no munche this casa. The 40 the a bedding say no so no e betimi ato e de ama Manchester United ti ehun sam no ya ba robo so etimi e de ama ayeti for insurance 4.5 e betimi do message no abana kinkan e de ama medika catch am say this weekend